Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zazzle for dropshipping easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Zazzle for dropshipping, first, create your Zazzle account. Visit the Zazzle website and click on sign up at the top right corner. Fill in the required information to register. After successfully creating your account, log in to your Zazzle account. Navigate to the Tools section, select Zazzle Marketplace from the drop-down options. In the Marketplace, locate the Create button to start designing your products. Choose a product category that suits your dropshipping goals. Use Zazzle's design tools to create unique and appealing designs for your products. Once your designs are ready, click on the Publish button. Set up your product details, including titles, descriptions, and keywords. Adjust the royalty percentage to ensure you receive your desired profit margin. Confirm that all details are accurate and click Save. Next, go to Settings in your account dashboard. Select Account Settings and find the Payments section. Add your payment information to ensure you can receive earnings. Now, head to the Marketplace to promote your products. Share your product links through social media or online platforms to attract buyers. Monitor your sales and customer interactions through your Zazzle dashboard. Regularly update your designs and offerings to keep your store fresh and engaging. By following these steps, you will successfully activate Zazzle for dropshipping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.